How to live stream using Meld Studio. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technology. Today, I'll show you how to live stream with Meld Studio, a new tool similar to OBS Studio. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to start a live stream. Stay tuned to our channel for more videos about Meld Studio coming soon. If you prefer OBS Studio, check out our tutorial in the card and description. To learn more about live video streaming, check out our free course on our e-learning platform. We'll leave the link in the description too. Now, let's open Meld Studio. There are two ways to access the settings. Click the gear icon in the bottom right or go to File in the top left, then Preferences. In general, we'll input the settings. I'll set it to 1080p Full HD at 30 FPS. For video bitrate, 4000 kilobits per second. Quality preset, very fast. And audio, 160 kilobits per second. It's crucial to test if your PC can handle these settings. If it lags or crashes, lower the settings. Now let's add our config to ADD output. Here we choose where to stream. It offers YouTube, Twitch, and custom options. Custom lets you enter a URL and stream key. Many services offer this, including Facebook and YouTube. Let's input the URL and key, then go back. Here, make sure to check your audio device too. Now let's close this and add the content. It lets you create scenes and layers within each. We'll cover this part in more detail soon. In a pre-created scene, click the plus icon under Layers. Here we can add options like your camera, videos, images, and more. Let's insert a video. After insertion, simply click Go Live. With that, our broadcast is now live on the player. To learn about our video streaming services, scan our QR code. That's it. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.